Good evening. How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Okay. Are you a student or are you working? Okay. Okay. Are you studying technical or non-technical? Okay. You are studying in technical field, right? Okay. Are you studying in Haryana or are you studying in different state in India? Okay. You are studying in Haryana. Okay. So nice. How long have you been using this platform? How long have you using this platform? Ninth day. How did you know about this platform? Who recommended you in this platform to join? Mhm. Okay, you got to know this platform in advertisement. Which social media did you get this platform? Instagram. Okay. Do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with co-learner? Okay. Hmm. Okay. Wow, so nice. I'm also language learner. You also language learner. What kind of activity do you take to enhance your English speaking? Okay. 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 What kind of book do you read? You watch movies on YouTube and you read book to enhance your English speaking. Then what kind of book do you read? Good. Wow. Who is author? Wow, so nice. Then, how many pages have you completed to read? How many pages? Starting. Okay. Okay. Right now you are starting to read that book, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay. How many pages have you completed per day? I, I think 7 pages. Wow, 7 pages. Okay. What time do you read book? What time do you read book? In the night. At the night. Okay. Then, Miss, what kind of Miss do you search any vocabulary or only you just read that book? You only know about meaning of the sentences or do you collect any kind of vocabulary while reading? Yeah, I also collect vocabulary. Okay, and you know about meaning of this sentence also, right? Yeah, you are doing yes, good yes. job. You are doing good job. And do you like writing? Yeah. Do you like writing? Mhm. Okay, you yeah. don't like writing, right? Do you listen? Do you listen? Do you like listening? Yeah, I also like listening. Okay. Okay, but you know yeah. language has five pillars. LSRW: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. But you don't like writing, but you like reading, you like listening, and you like speaking, right? Yeah. Yes, yes. Okay, why you don't like writing? Because writing also important to enhance your English speaking, right? You yeah. have to build your habit. First of all, you write only what you do morning to evening. Otherwise you write only your daily routine, what you do morning to evening, right? Right now we are talking each other, right? Then you can write on your words what we talked each other, right? You explain on your thought and you write 20 sentences first day. Second day, you write 25 sentences. Third day, you write 30 sentences. Slowly, slowly, gradually, you develop your habit to write, right? Otherwise, if you think I write one page, complete one page or 200 sentences, you feel bored, right? First of all, you write 10 sentences, only your daily routine. If you take your pen paper and you start writing, I get up early in the morning, after that I do my morning chore, then after I take my breakfast, after that I start studying, after that I get ready to go to college, then after I go to college at 10 a.m., after that I reach college on time, after that I greet my professor, my friends, then after I study in according to means period, after that I come back home, then after I refresh, then after I take my lunch, then after you write this kind of what you do morning to evening, otherwise your daily routine, only 10 to 20 sentences, because if you develop your habit, then definitely one day you know without writing you cannot sleep properly. That's why language always takes four pillars: reading, writing, listening, speaking, and all are interconnection each other, right? And if because you want to enhance your English speaking, if you take only three pillars and you never take one pillars, then it will take time to enhance your English speaking. It is also required, right? Who are good reader, they become a good speaker. Who are good writer, they become a good speaker. Who are good listener, they become a good speaker. Who are good speaker, they become a also excellent speaker, right? Then we have to do simultaneously at a time per day daily LSRW: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Because you are a student, you don't have time. It's okay. But you get some time for your personal development, right? It is also required because you want to enhance your English knowledge, including language, right? We are Indian, we don't have language partner, we don't get atmosphere to speak with anyone 20 minutes per day, right? That's why we people depend in this kind of platform to interact with language learner and we practice with them. If we don't practice regularly 10 to 20 minutes, then we maybe lose our fluency and confidence simultaneously, right? That's why we have to practice daily, and we have to not only speaking practice, you have to practice also reading, you have to practice also writing, you have to practice also listening. You have to learn how to practice writing, you have to learn how to practice listening, you have to learn how to practice reading, right? But we always focus only speaking, we think practice means speaking, right? But we never think practice means listening also, reading also, writing also, right? Got it my point? That's why we have to do it simultaneously, four pillars, regularly practice. Reading practice, writing practice, listening practice, speaking practice. That's why language is a learnable skill. Anyone can they learn, anyone can they speak, right? But we have to do step by step, orderly, logically, then definitely we become a good speaker, right? We can convey our message with whom you interact, right? It is enough for us. If you want to go to abroad, then you focus accent is a different part. If you have a fluency and if you have a good confidence, anyone ready to interact with you, right? Everyone make mistake, it is not our mother tongue, right? Everyone make mistake, that is a true. That's why you don't focus about making mistake. You speak with someone, then continuously you speak with them. We have to do hard work, right? Even though you see who are good speaker, they are also still doing practicing, right? And they are also doing hard work, right? They also polish their fluency. Then we have to do it. That's why language always takes time. No one can get overnight, right? But we have to develop our dedication, devotion, and self motivation in this kind of ingredient habit. Self motivation in this kind of ingredient required to enhance any language, right? Consistency also required. Not only today you practice 2 hours and tomorrow you never get time, then you never practice or you never talk with anyone 10 to 5 minutes, then it is not a practice, right? If you invest 10 minutes equally daily, then it is called practice. Then we have to practice all things. And language is just equal to driving and swimming. If you want to learn how to driving, you have to means sit on the driver's seat. If you want to learn how to swimming, you have to jump into pond or into water, right? And we have to practice regularly. That's why it is a skill based language, right? Even though you see illiterate people, they can speak fluent English but they cannot read and write, right? They can speak good English because they practice. But well educated people, they always think, if I make mistake, what they people think about me? They don't lose their dignity. They don't ready to lose their self esteem, right? They always like their dignity and self esteem. They don't want to make mistake. But no one can if you think, I when I be perfect, after that I start speaking with someone, then that time never come, right? We have to practice with anyone. It is a bitter truth. And we do it in this kind of means practicing. That's why we people involved in this kind of platform and practice with language learner. Right now, you know, India is a languages country. All state have different languages. We cannot learn all state languages, but we can learn English easily, right? It is a language. It is a global language. That's why it is a global language. And since childhood, we study in English, right? One book, it's okay. But we study since childhood, but we cannot learn all state languages. It is a truth, right? Can you learn in South part language? Can you learn in East part language? No one can learn. But we can learn English easily. That's why language is a language and it is a learnable skill. Anyone can learn, anyone can speak. Illiterate people also they can speak